Like every parent, Indian parents also want the best for their children. But their parenting style does not work out well all the time and causes serious damage to the happiness and well-being of their children. The most common mistakes of Indian parents that take a toll on the mental health of a child are 1. They are manipulative. Indian parents work hard to control their children's lives. Even adult children of Indian parents cannot practice their freedom of selecting their friends, hobbies, academic streams, careers, and life partners. Parents think they know what is best for their children and force their decisions on them. They want to control everything so that no mistakes and failures happen, and people praise their parenting. Children have almost no choice except to follow their parents' orders. 2. Their expectations are very high. Being citizens of an academically driven society, Indian parents are crazy about social status, high salaries, luxury cars, etc. Consequently, they develop high expectations of their children. To achieve that, they set unrealistic goals and impose rules without reason on a child. In many cases, this parenting mistake causes childhood trauma. They want to show off the children's achievements in order to earn a reputation in society. Sometimes, it creates immense pressure on young minds, and they start hating their parents. 3. They do not teach how to handle failure. One of the biggest mistakes Indian parents make is they do not teach how to handle failure in life. They want only success and success. When a child fails, in maximum cases, he does not get parental support to start afresh with more positivity. That is the reason Indian students are always depressed. 4. They are emotional blackmailers. Indian parents do everything for their children as if they are investing in their old age. So when a child can't perform well or does something going against the parents, they start mourning. They force the child to feel guilty by saying how their hard-earned money and sacrifices have gone in vain. This is probably the biggest mistake Indian parents commit that damage their relationships.